How to fix gas app won't let me add paper money. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix gas app won't let me add paper money. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. Open App Store on your device. Tap search icon at bottom right and search for gas app. If you see updates button next to it, then simply tap on it to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. The next step is simply you need to clear app cache. Go to device settings, scroll down to general. Tap on it and tap to iPhone storage. Now search for cache app and tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you'll need to tap on offload app. Tap to confirm again and after that tap on reinstall button. This should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then you have to tap on delete app button and then uninstall. Then again open from the app store. And you need to search gas app and reinstall the app. If this all the above step did not work for you, then you will need to scroll down and open the customer support of Cas app. And once you do that, you need to simply open up Cas app on your device and tap profile at top right corner. You'll need to scroll down and tap on support. Now tap on something else. Scroll down and tap on Cas card. Again, scroll down and tap on contact support. Tap on chat to contact support team. And after that, you need to briefly explain the issue to Cas app representative. You can type something along the lines of, hey, this morning I went to 7-Eleven store to deposit paper money onto my Cash App account, but it didn't went as expected. I tried a few times, but it didn't work. I request you to please help me fix this bug so I can deposit paper money onto my Cash App account. Please help me fix this issue as soon as possible. And hopefully your Cash App won't let me add money on Cash App will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.